Good morning. I am Aher Alka from RBNB College from Physics Department. Today we study the chapter Gravitation, and in this chapter we see the concept of potential. We know potential energy. There are different types of energy. Now here we consider the gravitational potential energy. The gravitational potential energy is given by gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Potential energy of a system with earth and another body m, it is given by minus Gmm divided by r. Then we can write here, suppose U is called as gravitational potential energy. We consider the earth having gravitational potential, and potential energy U is given by, at a distance r, that is U is equal to minus Gmm divided by r. Now this G is called as constant of gravitation. M is mass of earth, small m is the mass of body, r is the distance from the above surface at the mass of the object, U is gravitational potential energy. Now we have the gravitational potential. Gravitational potential is given by, now suppose U upon m, it can be written as, it is minus Gm divided by r, and it is gravitational potential energy per unit mass. Gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Potential energy per unit mass. Energy per unit mass. And which is equal to minus Gm divided by r, which is called as gravitational potential. It is called as gravitational potential. Now potential energy or gravitational potential energy, it is given by gravitational potential. Gravitational potential multiplied by potential multiplied by mass m. This energy, or this is given by it is called as VE at a distance r, that is it is Gm divided by r into m. This U upon m, it is nothing but Gm divided by r. It is called as gravitational potential, and it is the concept of this potential. This is similar to the electric potential. Gravitational potential is given by minus Gm divided by r. Now we see the expression for escape velocity. Escape velocity. Escape velocity. Escape velocity and expression for escape velocity. Expression for escape velocity. Escape velocity. Escape velocity. Escape velocity, it is the minimum velocity with which a satellite, it is free from the Earth's gravitational field. It is called as escape velocity, and it is denoted by VE. It is denoted by VE. Suppose the object, it is on the Earth's surface. It is on the Earth's surface. The velocity is given to this object such that it is free from, it is goes vertically upward, and it is free from gravitational influence. Gravitational influence. Such a type of velocity, it is called as gravitational velocity. Now expression for gravitational expression for escape velocity. escape velocity. The escape velocity, it is defined as escape velocity, the minimum velocity with which a body should be thrown vertically upward from the surface of earth so that it escapes from the gravitational influence. The velocity is escape velocity. Now here expression for escape velocity, we consider two types of energy. The kinetic energy. The kinetic energy of projection is given by 1/2 mve square. We know the formula for kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is given by 1/2 mv square. Here we take the velocity, escape velocity. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square. Now potential energy. Potential energy is given by potential energy on the earth's surface. It is given by minus gmm divided by r. This is kinetic energy, this is potential energy. Now this kinetic energy and potential energy, now this r, it is on the earth's surface, therefore the potential energy is minus gm divided by r. Now total energy. Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy. Substitute the value, that is 1/2 mv square minus the value of potential energy is gmm divided by r. Now the total energy, this is the total energy is 0, the total energy is conserved, that is we can say that total energy is conserved, it is converted into one form to another form, it is equal to 0. Therefore 1/2 mv square is equal to, we can write gmm divided by r. Now here mm gets cancelled, we get 1/2 mv square is equal to gm divided by r. Then ve square is equal to 2gm divided by r. Then square root of, we take the value of v, that is escape velocity, it is the square root of 2gm divided by r, which is the expression for escape velocity, which is the expression for escape velocity. Expression for escape velocity. Escape velocity. See, escape velocity, it is the minimum amount of velocity with which body should be thrown vertically upward from the surface of earth and that escapes the earth's gravitational field. Thus we find the expression for this kinetic energy is given by 1/2 mv square. Potential energy is minus gmm divided by r, where g is constant of gravitation, m is mass of earth, m is the mass of object, mass of satellite, r is the radius of earth. The total energy is conserved, that is total energy 0. We can equate the term 1/2 mv square is equal to gmm divided by r. mm gets cancelled, we get 1/2 mv square is equal to gm divided by r. ve square is equal to 2gm divided by r, and v square, we take the square root, v is equal to under root 2gm divided by r, which is the expression for escape velocity. This escape velocity depends upon g, that is it is constant of gravitation, it is the m is the mass of earth and r is the radius of earth. If we substitute the value of g, the value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter per kg square. Substitute in this equation. Mass of earth is 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg. Substitute in this equation. R is equal to 6400 kilometer. We find the escape velocity, and the value of escape velocity, it is nearly 11.2 kilometer per second. This is the escape velocity. Now we see the topic weightlessness in the satellite. Before that, we see the example of lift or elevator. Now see weightlessness in the satellite. See, suppose we are the person standing on the earth's surface. If the person standing on the earth's surface, the two forces acting on the person. The first force is its weight, and the weight mg, it is vertically downward. Now the weight is vertically downward. At the same time, there is another force which is in the upward direction, which is called as normal reaction. Now the force, that is the weight, is balanced by mg is balanced by normal reaction, and we feel the weight on the earth's surface. This is the according to Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Therefore, when we standing on the earth's surface, the weight is vertically downward. At that time, there is another force, that is normal reaction, and which is equal, that is mg is equal to normal reaction n, and we feel the weight. Now here we consider the example of elevator or lift. In this case, see, in first case, lift having zero acceleration. There is no acceleration on this lift. It shows that acceleration is zero. The net force acting on this lift is zero. That is, net force acting on the lift is zero. Thus we can say that mg minus n, and mg is equal to, we can write n. That is, we feels our weight when we are standing, or the acceleration is zero, we feel the weight on the earth's surface here. Now in second case, if the lift is in the upward direction, see, acceleration is in the upward direction. When the acceleration is in the upward direction, see here, normal reaction in the upward direction, while weight is in the downward direction. The net force, in upward direction is greater. Therefore, net force F is equal to n minus mg. Now n is equal to mg plus ma. Then m gets common here. M into g plus a, this is the plus factor, and we feels a heavier weight when the lift is in the upward direction. Now in case 3, when the lift having in the downward direction, see, lift is in the downward direction, at that time the net acceleration or the net force, it is the larger force, it is in the downward direction, that is net force is equal to mg minus n, and n is equal to mg minus ma. M into g minus a, we feels a lighter. Now when there is the acceleration due to gravity is equal to acceleration, that is, there is a free fall, and see, normal reaction is zero here. There is no any condition, that is acceleration, it is a free fall. Acceleration a is equal to g, n is equal to 0, there is no normal reaction, n is equal to mg minus ma, n is equal to 0, substitute mg is equal to ma, g is equal to u, g is equal to a, there will be a feeling of weightlessness. See these cases, here acceleration is 0, there is a feeling weight, that is normal reaction is equal to weight. and here if the acceleration it is in the upward direction, lift is in the upward direction, there is a person having a heavier weight. Now lift is in the downward direction, the person having lighter weight, and if there is no acceleration or there is free fall, the person feels a weightlessness. Such things are considered in case of this weightlessness in satellite. See, for example, when the satellite it is on the earth's surface, when the satellite is on the earth's surface, what happens? There is our weight, it is the force. There are two forces acting on our body, that is, see, the force is the weight, and the weight is vertically downward. There is another force, that is the normal reaction, it is vertically upward, and due to this we feel weight. Now the astronaut revolving in a satellite around the earth, in this case there is a downward force, it is a vertically downward force on the floor of the satellite, but the satellite does not exert any normal reaction on the astronaut, and there is no normal reaction. Normal reaction is 0 in this case, and the astronaut revolving in a satellite around the earth feeling weightlessness. This is the concept of weightlessness. Thank you.